Memory scientist Miss Crowley here. We are in week 7. And last week we learned about waves. So we're going to do a little bit more practice on waves. So you are here in the week 7, Monday, Tuesday folder. You've already been in there. You're in the lesson directions. There is the problem of the day, which is I can change a wave by altering its frequency and amplitude. Okay, so those are some vocabulary words. You're going to do that by doing 2 different PhET interactives. And the discussion post is how are these waves different? Use the words frequency, wavelength, and amplitude to come up with how they're different. So you're comparing this wave to this wave. Now, frequency is how often a wave happens, and wavelength is the distance from one crest to another, or from one trough to another. It's a distance, wavelength. And amplitude is how much energy the wave has. So the more energy it has, the higher the wave. All right, so that's your discussion post. Then you're going to go in here. There's 2 different interactives. Remember, if you are at Murray, do not do these because we will do this in school. Link 1 and link 2, and then here's your waves worksheet. So your waves worksheet looks like this. So bring that to Notability or print it out, right? So you can write on it. It has directions right here, and then it has places for you to put the information, all right? So the first one looks like this. You're going to start by having this goes in slow motion, which it is. So go slow motion, no end, and oscillate. So make sure you check it like that, okay? And then you're going to set the frequency to 1.5 hertz. So right here is the frequency. You can increase it or decrease it. And then you're going to try 3 different amplitudes. So change the amplitude and then see how the wave changes. Now, if you want, it's hard to draw it while it's moving. So say you want to draw it, then just hit the pause button, and then it will be easier for you to draw. All right. So you try 3 different amplitudes at the frequency 1.5, and then you're going to set the amplitude here to 1. You can also drag it, right? Set it to 1. And then try 3 different frequencies. So try it at a high frequency, maybe a medium, and then a low. Okay. And remember, you can pause it so that you can draw it. And then you just answer the questions by circling the correct answer. The second wave activity looks like this. So you're going to start here in the waves. Okay. And then here is how you make the water go, how you make the waves. You are going to set it to normal. So normal right here. And you can check this box if you want. So you got to see the graphs. Make sure you check that box. And then start with these options in the center. So put the frequency and the amplitude in the center. Okay. And then you are going to tap the green button and start the water. Okay. And then you draw what happens. And then you set the frequency to max. And then you set the amplitude to max. And you draw the waves and then answer the questions. All right. And then what do you got next? Well, Quizlet. There's a little review. So to help you, there's a lot of vocabulary words. So go into the Quizlet, practice the matching game. Okay. Do it a few times. See if you can beat your time. And then there is a closure quiz right here. Okay. So that's it for lesson number 1. If you have any questions, remember we have office hours, Cy Crowley, Cy Ross, 1:30 to 2:30, Monday through Thursday. And then Friday, if you need us, just email us and we'll set up a time for us to meet. Okay, I hope you guys are doing well. And as always, it's nice to talk at you. Bye.